guest check-out. So, meron tayong coming guest tomorrow. Kailangan maglinis, mabilisan. Tatlo kaming nagtutulungan para mag-prepare ng unit. So, depende kung sino yung available. So, ngayon, ako yung pwede dahil day off ako. So, ayun, mag-start tayo ng pagligpit ng mga used na towels and then pag-refill ng mga kailangan na supplies like yung shampoo, yung sabon, pangligo, panghugas ng kamay, panghugas ng plato. Usual ginagawa ko muna is yung sa taas na mga kailangang punasan katulad nito. Kasi usually inuutos ko na lang sa kasama ko yung isang part ng paglilinis ng floors. Nakita ko to after nung guest na stay is talagang marumi yung table and ayoko makikita yung may mga water stains ng baso. So, I know hindi to yung proper na pangpunas sa wooden table. So, siguro sa susunod, I should make it a point to look for that nakita ko na yun na dedicated siya para hindi mawala yung shine or yung mamuti-muti yung wooden na furniture. It's specifically designed to clean surfaces na wooden. Wala pa akong available now, so ito munang cream yung ginagamit ko. It's all-purpose na cream panglinis. Ginagamit ko rin siya pang linis ng oven, so I know medyo matapang siya. Itong curtain namin, actually nasira to, yung left side, nasira yan, so kailangan yan ayusin ng asawa ko. Tatanggalin ko muna daw ang curtain kasi baka mas lalong mabigatan daw yung left side. I don't usually change the curtains often, but it's a must to change all the sheets sa bed. Share ko lang pala yung about sa laundry. Sa Manila, nag-invest ako ng magandang washing machine kasi nga we wash all our sheets and towels at home. It's super convenient at nakakatipid din kami sa long run. Plus, we can do it anytime we want and anytime we need. But then, with our listing in Cebu, it's a different story. We just pay for laundry service and it's, I think, worth it naman. Hindi na namin kailangan mag-asikaso ng mga wash ng sheets and we can focus on other things. Although, syempre, may extra cost siya. So, ano ba ang advantages ng dalawang options? Well, if you do it yourself, you save money and you have control over your laundry. Pero you need to consider the time and effort, especially if you have a big property or lot of guests. On the other hand, if you outsource, you can save time at it's hassle-free. Pero it can be more expensive, especially if you have a lot of laundry. For me, it's really up to the host to decide what works better. If you have the space and the resources, doing it yourself may be the way to go. But if you're short on time or don't want the hassle, then laundry service is the way to go. It's all about finding what works best for you and your business. So this is the second day in preparing the unit for incoming guests this afternoon. Being an Airbnb host is fulfilling, but just like any other business, it entails commitment. So this is my husband who is currently sick, but he has to come to fix the curtain rod. This was damaged during the last guest booking, but it's okay, they paid for the repair. We actually said that they don't need to pay any because my husband can just fix it. But they insisted and left us money. Diba? Grabe. But we appreciate it naman. And so, yeah, this is us.